I'm one of the persons that brought Buhari. And I'm very, very close to the president. I mean, I'm very, very close to the president. So, but I have resigned and left the All Progressive Congress and joined the Social Democratic Party. And my reason for resigning from APC is that the party had disappointed Nigerians. It has failed Nigerians. We never fulfilled any of the promises we made to Nigerians. And so it was morally wrong for me to continue to promote deceit in APC. So I resigned my membership and I apologize to Nigerians for being part of the people that contributed in bringing them to this particular situation. And every time I will still I apologize to Nigerians because this was not what I had in mind. Now let me come back to the Peter Obi issue. You see, Peter Obi, for me, good man, young person that could be a Nigerian president. But the same mistake we made with Buhari is the same mistake the youth are making. We rally around Buhari just because of integrity. Nobody was asking questions. Nobody was asking anything. We mystify him to a god. And then there was the Buhari hurricane. The Buhari hurricane brought all sorts of people and created a political zoo with snakes, reptiles, lions, baboons, monkeys, antelopes. So those who won election in 2015 into the National Assembly, most of them did not even spend up to 50,000. They were all elected because of the Buhari hurricane. So the hurricane swept both scorpions, snakes, antelopes, baboons, and then into a zoo. So the political zoo of APC gave birth to the current situation we found ourselves. The youth are making the same mistake. We are already mystifying Peter Obi. Nobody has engaged him. If I have knew Buhari the way I knew now what is happening, I would have engaged him. But you see the power of charisma which was built around him. In fact, if you ask a question then, you were an enemy. We will go after you. It's the same mistake young people are repeating. And the Buhari hurricane was powered by Nigerian youth through the social media. We are now creating another monster without engagement. Anybody who asks questions about Peter Obi now, people will attack him. So the way we created Buhari monster, we are creating another monster again. So my appeal is that before we take on this Peter Obi issue, which the youth are yearning for, there must be a constructive engagement. Somebody like me cannot support anybody without engaging him. But thank you for the offer. I will tell you, sorry, I have a presidential candidate, a young and a vibrant man too, who is the youngest presidential candidate we have in this cycle. His name is Prince Adewole Adebayo. He's a lawyer by training. You would have listened to him. If not, you will also have time to listen to him. We will also have admit at the presidential debate. But as we narrow down to these issues you suggested, definitely we are going to cross ranks. Because we are not going to go to this war with open fronts so that these people will now rub us blind again. So if we get to where we are narrowing down to settling down for what is good for Nigeria, I believe that the youth will dumb this euphoria of creating or mystifying charisma, and then will now create another monster that he will feel that he's a god because of Buhari's integrity. He saw himself as above every Nigerian, and there was nobody again except him. And look at where that has taken us to.